What is up, my friends? Today we are cooking some parmigiana, but the kitchen is in a bit of a mess. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. It's not too bad, but we'll clean it up a bit later. I'm hungry, so we're going to cook some parmigiana. Actually, I did say I was going to clean a bit later, but I need a little bit of space that is actually clean to start off with, so let's wipe up the benches and then we'll go collect all the ingredients we need. Alright, for people that don't know, this is a Paprika, an app on iPad. What is it? It's a recipe manager, and it's what my parents use for the recipes, and so they've shared the app and all their recipes with me, and so I get to choose and find all the recipes that we have for dinners or whatever, and they've got about hundreds of recipes there, so it's pretty sick. Here we have all the ingredients, apparently, according to the recipe, laid out right here. To begin with, we will do the tomato sauce. So for the tomato sauce, we need to dice finely chop an onion, 1 clove of garlic. Where is it? 1 clove of garlic. We have some diced tomatoes, a bit of brown sugar, and put a bit of oil, and then put that in a saucepan and cook it up and to boil and whatnot. It's pretty simple. So I'll cut up the onions and cloves and get it all prepared, and then we'll put it in the saucepan. So we got the cut up onion and garlic. The garlic was meant to be done in a crusher, but I can't find that tool anywhere, so that's a bit strange. So now we got to put it into the saucepan, which got to go on here, just heating up at the moment. Chuck that all in, brown the onions, garlic, then chuck in the tomato sauce and the brown sugar and the basil, and yeah, then we let that simmer and whatnot for a while. Easy peasy. Alright, while that onion is browning up and searing for tomato sauce for the parmigiana, what we can do is we can prepare the chicken and crumb it. So we'll trim the fat bits, and then we'll crumb it with some egg flour, just the flour first, and then you put in the egg and milk apparently, but we've got rice milk because lactose intolerant, and then crumb it. So it should be pretty easy, and also we're going to flatten it so it's nice and equal sizes. Easy peasy. Alright, so now that we've crumbed the chicken, we've also, while that's been happening, we have put in the tomato, brown sugar, basil, salt and pepper into this sauce mix. And what it says to do is to bring it to a boil, and once it's to the boil, you then just simmer it for 35 to 40 minutes. So we'll bring it to the boil. Once it's at the boil, we'll just simmer it until it's ready to be put in the chicken, basically, because I'm not waiting that long. It also says to puree and whatnot, but I'll just smash it a bit. So while that's also doing that, we'll start cooking up the chicken. Pretty simple, really. Alright, so chicken's cooking. Use margarine instead of oil. I'm not sure if that's actually a good choice or what, but whatever. Doesn't really matter. And the tomato sauce is simmering. And I've also started the oven for when it's ready to put it in, for the cheese melt on top of the... But to have on the side, we're just going to make a simple salad. And then when that's done, probably should, if this isn't been cooked, probably clean up a little. But yeah, salad time. Alright, we've cooked the chicken. I burnt it a little bit on this side, but that's okay. That's ready, and oven's ready, and we are ready to put onto here. So let's prepare for the oven to melt the cheese on it, and then basically it's time to eat after when that's done. Alright, that's it's all done. Put in the oven now. And that should be done in about 20 or so minutes. Whenever the cheese melts, I'll keep an eye on that. Now I clean up a little. I don't know, we'll see it when it's all done, ready and served. Alright, all ready to go. Look at that. Pretty good. I'm hungry. It's been a bit of a cook, but I'm ready to eat, ready to chow down on some nice parmigiana. Thank you all for watching this vlog / cooking thingy. Peace out.